So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how to save your diamonds for the new set. And if you have diamonds and you are confused on which item to buy from the new set, I will help you in that. Like sometimes the suit is 35,000 diamonds and that is a lot of diamonds. The heels are 50,000 diamonds because they have 5 toggles, and I think that's like a really high price. But the thing is that they have 5 toggles, so I think it's nice because of that. So in this I'm going to tell you guys how to get diamonds and what to spend them on. Step is that go to the fountain. So this is my story and I think I'm going to choose seahorses. I don't know, I'm not sure what's going to happen because usually I always lose diamonds, but sometimes you can get a really good amount of diamonds, like 800 or 700 something, and that really helps. Okay, let's see, what did I get? Oh, I did get about 442 diamonds, and that's really nice. Yeah. Okay, so the next step is that I'm at Earth right now, and in case you guys didn't know, the whole set together is 164k, and that's like so many diamonds. And you guys can I don't want to go on the car, please, no. Oh no. Okay, so in case you guys haven't seen, oh no, why do always this happens? Okay, fine. Okay, so in case you guys have seen, I only have the skirt and veil because this set costs so many diamonds. Like the skirt is 35,000 diamonds and the veil I traded for it. So okay, I'll tell you guys what happened. I pretty much I had many diamonds. You guys know I always have a lot of diamonds. I don't really farm, but I don't really buy anything. But since I got to level 75, I started trading diamonds like crazy, and it's really hard for me to control now. So I pretty much traded all my diamonds. So yeah, the only thing I could get was the skirt and the veil, and I traded for the veil. Okay, press the one. Let's do one. Why not? Let's see what happens. I really hope I won some diamonds, or anything would be good, to be honest. Just please don't be nothing or that. I get so mad if that's it. Oh, what did I? Oh, 200 diamonds. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so the next step I'm going to be showing you guys. So guys, the next step is farming, and usually I would recommend you to farm at Royal High or Earth, because you can see that is Divinia. I mean, I'm in Earth, and that is like this area. It has so many diamonds. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the hearts, and in this parking lot thing there are also many diamonds. I saw this girl is farming and she pretty much took a lot of diamonds. So yeah, I would recommend you to farm here. It would be a lot quicker and it will help you get a lot of diamonds, because I'm pretty sure you guys can see there are so many hearts and diamonds right here. Okay, so now it's time for the next step is to sleep, and always collect your computer login streak. So I'm going to do that right now. And guys, in case you are wondering that what items you should buy from the shop, let me show you guys really quickly. Okay, so we have the skirt, the heels, the corset, the sleeves, and the veil, and the back thing. I don't know what to call it. Okay, so I would recommend you to buy the skirt first, because it's like a really flowy thing and it's a really important thing of the set, if you know what I mean. And then I would recommend you to buy the veil, because if you're wearing the veil and the skirt both, it kind of gives you like an illusion that you have the whole set, unless you are close to the person, then you just look at their outfit. So it kind of gives you the illusion that you're wearing the whole set. So I would recommend that. And also guys, there's also one more tip that I would recommend you guys to how to get diamonds is, you guys can see that I have many doubles in my inventory, and I would recommend you to trade them. Like you guys see, I have a bunch of doubles, or just even if you don't have doubles, you must have some random accessories and stuff like that you don't want, you know what I mean, right? Or if there's anything that you don't like, you can trade that. So it would help you get a lot of diamonds. Okay, you guys can see I just leveled up and I just got 300 diamonds. And one more thing. I was supposed to have 12,000 diamonds right now, but I traded 5,000 because you guys know me, right? Please don't be like me. Save your diamonds. Okay, let's see how many diamonds do I get today. So I traded those diamonds. So I'll tell you guys what I traded right now. Oh, 1,000. That's amazing. I got 1,000 diamonds. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you guys some tradings that trading proofs that I did. I traded the baby doll adorable sleeves, the darling Valentina puppy ears, and the lollipop candy, and 1,866 diamonds for the cherry blossom kimono sleeves. I think it's a pretty good trade if you ask me. Yeah, I did that. Then I traded my very cozy hat for all this stuff and 3,000 diamonds. We have the fur collar, the giant teddy bear version 2. And you guys can see the stuff, right? The polar bear beret cap, the sparkly dress, elegant gloves, fur, bunny tail, stuff like that. You guys. And I also tried. This is like the full picture. You guys can see that, right? And the sweet bunny shoulder bag and the winter guardian oranges. I think I did a pretty good trade for the cozy hat because it's not really in demand, but it's kind of in demand. Like, you know what I mean, right? And I also got 3,000 diamonds, so that's really nice. Okay. Then I did this trade. I traded 1,500 diamonds for the over the rainbow sleeves, and this item has got reworked 3 times, and that's amazing. Like, I love this item. And the OG price of this item is 6,500. I'm not sure, but I think this is the OG price. So I think I got it even lower than the original price, so that was amazing. Then I did my favorite trade ever. I traded the Royal Rebel lace boots and 5,000 diamonds for the Shadow Empress chain boots, and this is like my dream item. I finally got it. I'm so happy with this trade. Like, oh my god, I love these heels so much. I traded the Royal Rebel and the 5,000 diamonds, and what happened was, guys, first the girl asked me to add diamonds, so I added diamonds, but yeah. Okay, so this is the trade success. Okay, then I did this trade, the high school lacy boots and socks for the adorable lace up doll boots, and yeah. So guys, this is a very fair trade because the OG price of the lacy boots is 18,000 diamonds, and the OG price of the lace up doll boots is also 18,000 diamonds, so it's a pretty fair trade if you ask me. You know, if you have the high school lacy and you want the other ones, you could trade it. If you want to have the lace-up boots, you can trade for them. It's a fair trade. Okay guys, so this was a fun video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.